Here we go again. We got another box off of our E36 build right here, and this is going to be an interesting thing. This is one of the upgrades for the E46 manual transmission that we have here. This is a nice new kit that we got off of eBay, and this is one of those things again. After looking for it quite a bit, we found one that came with a couple of other upgrades that the regular transmission shifter kits don't come with. So this one, Jesus man, this is like super taped up. Okay, this is what we gotta do. Oh, I'm trying to be all myself. There we go. Okay, this is what you wanted. Oh, there's something else in here. Oh, a thank you note. A thank you note right here. Is your item as described, communication, shipping time, shipping handling time. This is not good for you, buddy. You took like a month, almost and a half to show up. Dear buyer, thank you for blah 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 blah. Okay, yeah, good. Okay, let's open this guy up. See what this is all about. Are you looking at this guy? Yeah. What do you think?
Cool.
Let's take a look. Oh, it's red. Did I order it in red? I don't remember ordering red. Oh, I guess this will work good. The E36 that we're going to be putting this on, the body is red. I don't know if we're going to wrap it. I think we will. But even if we wrap it, I think we're going to leave the interior red and black. So this is what we get. Whoa, check it out. That's pretty sweet. Let's fill it.
And pretty red.
Oh, there's something in there we're missing. Yeah, what is it? What is that? Oh, a bushing. Awesome. I love new bushings. Bushings are awesome. I love bushings. They make everything feel smooth. You know that?
No.
Yeah, in the car. Here you go. Bushing. Right, okay. Oh, it's in it, and it's got a specific shape. Can you see that shape in there? It's a circle with some slots on it. Yeah? Okay. Well. Here we go. So, okay, here it is. And it looks like it's got some slots. Yeah, see how it's weird like that? We'll see what that works for. But anyways, let's go ahead and keep on seeing here. What it's all about. Nice. Smooth, strong, way better than the stock pieces. Oh, and this is a tip that goes to the end of it. And it screws on and off. It's awesome. Big threading. Take some beating. These are way better than the original parts here. We'll put this guy back on. Check it out. It's looking pretty good. This feels so good. And I guess this is where the bushing goes. Right in there. Well, that's not going to be easy to do, but we'll figure it out. Okay, guys, so this is what you're going to get. This is one of those eBay shifters, but if you look for this hard enough, you'll get one of these that comes with this rod right here, which not all of them do. But if you buy one of the ones that are up in the upper range of the $200 ones, you hopefully should be looking for one of these, not just a kit that has basically this part right here. You see what I'm talking about? This part right here. If you guys are just looking at kits for 30-40 bucks, you're going to be buying one of the kits that just has this little part right here, and you're going to get a lot of shifting of with the movement when you're transferring the weight for the car and drifting. You're going to end up having problems. It's not going to feel the greatest, and you might miss a couple of shifts here and there. if that transmission isn't getting the information right from the bushing on the top here, which you're also looking to replace when you get one of these. So again, guys, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and like, and do your online shopping nice, cheap, but wise. Okay, go have some fun, get on the track ASAP.